I've always kind of had an interest in makeup and hair. It's always been something I'm super passionate about, and my counselor had brought up BOCES and like how kind of like the school was scheduled and stuff, and it was something I was super like excited about. It made me kind of want to come to school again.
When you're doing cosmetology, it's something different and you're not bored. You're always on your feet and nobody's ever getting the same thing, and I think that you want to like what you're doing for life.
It makes me feel more, I don't know, like kind of like more secure, and like it's more individualized. I feel like the people here care more, like they want to set you up for something in the future.
It's important to me because I was never the type of person that loved school. It was super hard for me to get through my grades and just super overwhelming for me. Capital Region BOCES has made it so easy. It makes learning fun.
I honestly feel like with all the opportunities that they give that I can now do what I really want to do and it's not as hard. But they give you a lot more information for being so young, because a lot more people take longer to figure out what they want to do, and here they kind of push it on you to get it together.
Anyone that I can tell, like at my school, I 100% want them to get like into BOCES and everything, because I feel like I feel so much like better set up for my future.
Even if you want to do hair as like a side job or anything, if you like are good at doing hair, you do it on the side, and you want to know more about it and get deeper into it, I would definitely come here. It's not quick, but it's faster than other ways that you could do it, and you do learn a lot. You do learn a lot here.